In this video we are going to learn how to speak English in 30 days. We just have to follow 4 steps and you will become a good English speaker or a good communicator. You just have to follow 4 steps. You just have to follow 4 steps. Without further delay, I'm going to share the 4 steps which are you going to follow. And first one is listening podcast or listening English will help you more to gain knowledge, understand language. Once you listen English podcast or English language, you will surrounded by English, and the words and the mind are subconsciously understand the language. Second one is you have to do is to read a book. Read a book in English in slowly, in a way means आपको in a way you have to read a book slowly, so the words are the words you will see you are comfortable with these, so you just have to follow the second step. Now third step is very important for every learners, either you or I. We just have to follow these. The third step means you have to talk or speak in uh, at least 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes you have to talk in English in any topic, like you are talking about your day, you are talking about your favorite movie, you are talking about Virat Kohli's retirement. So you can talk in any topic in 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. आगे आप कितना भी कर लो चलेगा, बट एटलीस्ट 10 मिनट यू हैव टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश. आई एम नॉट गुड इन इंग्लिश, बट आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर वॉचिंग मी एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर डिसलाइकिंग मी, बट this is the journey of learning English at home. I know most of people are discouraging me and dislike me, and some comments are demotivate me, but I'm not stopping here. I'm going until I am a good speaker. So now where we were third step to talk in English. Now fourth step is to learn vocab and make sentence on this. You have to learn 3 to 5 vocab every day and make sentence on them. Just like you read the word, you learn the word imitation. Now you just have to what you have to do, you have to do to make sentence on imitation. Like Aman imitates me, make sentence like this. And if you are a mediate, intermediate or advanced, you can go further again, make more sentences. Like I am a beginner, like I am fumbling to talk in front of mirror and in front of phone in front of you. I am fumbling right now. I am fumbling. And you just whenever you got time, surrounded by yourself in English, and everything around yourself indicate in English, and say this is book, this is laptop, this is wall. So if you do this English in your mind every day surrounded. And last step is to think in English. Think in English, each and every word, each and every sentence, whether it is wrong or right. You just have to follow these 4 steps to improve your English at 0 to 1. I am not sure I'm not sure to 0 to 5, but it is definitely help you 0 to 1. If you are if you don't know how to talk in English, but once you follow these steps, you will definitely get the result. So this is all about learning English at home. I hope you will like this video, and thank you. Har Har Mahadev.